Swithin audio diary, Sunday, May the 7th, 2017, about 7:15 in the evening. In a lovely sunny day, and everything is just so appreciated. Listen to this bird. And the squirrel has just scampered up the tree. That bird actually, I think it's a thrush, not that one, going cheep, 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 but that one, I think it's a thrush, a mistletoe thrush, is it called? The cheep, 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 I think it's a chaffinch. It's as if they were call and response, isn't it? But I don't think they're the same. It's just lovely. And there have been swallows around.